Topic is linear equations, exercise 6.2. We have already done first to 8 questions. So now it is the 9th question. Aparna got 27,840 as her monthly salary and overtime. Her salary exceeds overtime by 16,560. So what is her monthly salary? So that is it. Monthly salary and overtime. Together it is 27,840. So if you say that monthly salary is X, then what about overtime? Overtime will be 27,840 minus X, isn't it? And together it is 27,840. So let her monthly salary be, what is it? You will take it as a variable. Salary be X. So overtime is 27,000. Her monthly salary exceeds overtime by 16,560. That means overtime is X minus 16,560. Okay. Now together monthly salary plus this one. This is overtime. X minus the together is this one. So X plus X minus 16,560 equal to 27,840. So how many X are there? 2X. And number will go to another side. So minus will become plus. So it is 27,840 plus 16,560. So how much? 0, 0, 0, 10, balance on 9, 10, 14, balance on 8, 6, 14, balance on 4. So 2X is 44,400. So what is X? X is equal to 44,400 upon 2. That is 22,200. What is X considered? Her monthly salary. What is the question? Find her monthly salary. Therefore, her monthly salary equals how much it is? It is 22,000 rupees. Unit should be written 22,200. Okay. So every time you have to remember the unit. Unit should be put in each question. Now next is Hina has only rupees 2 and rupees 5 coins in her purse. Okay, in all she has 80 coins amounting to this one. So find the number of 5 rupee coins. Here 5 rupee coins has to be found. So let the number of 5 rupee coins equals X. Okay. Now total number of coins, how many coins are there? 80 coins. And what is the total amount? Rupees 232. Understand these two? So if you have got, suppose this is rupees 5 and this is rupees 2. Okay. Now X number of coins and together you have 80 coins. So what is it? This is 80 minus X, isn't it? Now I have rupees 1, 5 coins. So what is the amount? Amount is 5 into rupees 1. How much it is? Rupees 5. If I have rupees 2, 3 coins. What is the amount? Amount equals number of coins into the value of 1. Number of coins is 3 into value of 1 is rupees 2. So 3 into 2 is rupees 6. Because and this why I am explaining, because it is useful in this question. Okay, so now we have X coins of 5 rupees and 80 minus X coins of 2 rupees. Okay, so number of rupees 2 coins equals 80 minus X. Okay, now next is value of X coins. X coins, what is the value of 1 coin? Rupees 5. So it is number into value. Number into value of 1 coin. That is the value of total coins. So number is X into value of it is 5. So you have got 5X. Okay. Now what is value of 80 minus X coins? 80 minus X. What coins it is? 2 rupee coins. Okay. So value. Number is 80 minus X into value is 2. So it is how much? 160 minus 2x. Okay, this one. So together how much rupees we have? 232. So together means total value. Total value equals, it is 232. 232 here means you had to add these two, isn't it? 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2. What is it? 5x plus 160 minus 2x. That's equal to given as rupees 232. So 5x minus 2x is 3x. 3x equal to 232 minus 160. What is 232 minus 160? It is 72. So 3x is equal to 72. So therefore x is equal to 72 by 3. How much it is? 24. So what is 24? 5 rupee coins. There are 24 5 rupee coins, isn't it? So therefore number of 5 rupee coins, rupees 5 coins, we had taken as 24. Understood? So this is the answer. So I hope you understood this question well. Now next is, after 12 years I shall be 3 times as old as I was 4 years ago. Find my present age. So what should be found out? That I am taking it as, let my present age. Let my present age be x. I told you my favorite one is x. So after 12 years, that means if right now I am 5 years, after 2 years, what is it? It is 5 plus 2, that is 7 years, isn't it? Now I am x. So after 12 years means it is x plus 12. So after 12 years, my age is how much? X plus 12. We will add. Normally the students multiply. So I shall be 3 times as old I was 4 years ago. 4 years, that means now it is x. So 4 years ago I'll be x minus 4, isn't it? So my age 4 years ago equals x minus 4. So what is the relation given? That is, my after 12 years, that is x plus 12, I shall be equal to 3 times 4 years ago. So this is 3x minus 12. X plus 12 equals to x. So variable to one side and this one. So 3x minus x equal to 24. So 3x minus that is 2x is equal to 24. So x is equal to 12. So x is my present age. Therefore, my present age equal to 12 years. Okay. Now the next question is, two equal sides of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. These sides are 3x minus 1 and 2x plus 2. So it is given. Isosceles triangle means any two sides will be equal. If three sides are equal, then it is called equilateral triangle. So this is an isosceles triangle. The third side is 2x. Okay. Find x and the perimeter of the triangle. That means two sides are equal. So here the sides be 3x and minus 1 and 2x plus 2. So they are equal. They are equal means it is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Reason is isosceles triangle. Okay. Now, so 3x minus 1 equal to 2x plus 2. That means this is an what? This is an equation. How will you solve the equation? We will be solving the equation by keeping the this one on one side and variables on other side. Okay. So 3x minus 2x equal to 2 plus 1. 3x minus 2x. X is equal to 3. So you got x is equal to 3. Now find the perimeter or find x. You got x. Find the perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter of a triangle is, what is it? That is equal to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Isn't it? So what is the first side? 3x minus 1. That is equal to, you will substitute the value. 3 into 3 minus 1, that is 9 minus 1, that is 8. Then 3x minus 1 equal to 2x plus 2. So both are, this is 8 means this is also 8. Isn't it in the triangle? These two are 8 and 8. This is 2x. So it is 2x is equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter equals sum of all sides, that is 8 plus 6, 16 plus 6, 22 units. Why units? Because they have given here it is units. Okay, so the answer is perimeter is sum of all sides, so this one. Now the last question is two complementary angles differ by 20 degree. Complementary angles means complementary angles, that means sum is 90. Okay, sum is 90 degree. Otherwise supplementary means sum of two angles is 180 degree. Okay, so this is complementary and this is supplementary. Now the question is two complementary angles differ by, so let one complementary angle be x. So one x है तो second one will be what? Other angle will be 90 minus x, isn't it? दोनों मिलके it is, this is complementary angles A and B. If this is x, this will be 90 minus x because it is complementary. So 90 minus x. They differ by 20 degree. That is given. They differ by 20 degree. So if they differ by 20 degree, that means 90 minus x equal to 20. It is 90 minus x is equal to 20. Bracket open. So 90 minus how many x? 2x equal to 20. Now 90 minus 20. Why? Because I'll bring this number here and this one to here. Okay, so it is 90 minus 2x is equal to 20. So 90 minus 20 equal to 2x, 90, and this is 70. So 2x is equal to 70. So x is equal to 35. So if x is equal to 35, that is one angle equal to 35 degree, then other angle equals how much? 90 minus 35. 90 minus 35 is 55. So what are the angles? Angles are 35 degree and 55 degree. See that sum is 90 degree. So exercise is complete. 6.2. Okay, so complementary means it is sum is 90. So one is x, the other will be 90 minus x. Differ means 90 minus x minus, that is the difference. Difference is 20. Okay, here it was isosceles triangle. So two sides equal. Those two sides are given. So you will equate and form the, this is the equation. So this if you solve, you will get the value of x, and perimeter means sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides means 3x minus 1, 2x plus 2 and 2x. If तीनों मिलके you have to find out. So you will substitute because these two are equal. So one, this is 8 means this will also you will get 8, and this is 2 into 3, that is 6. So together you got 22. And here this question was number of coins. So x you took as for 5 rupee coins. So rest both of them together it is 80 coins. Okay. So 80 minus x. Now value of this one is x into 5. Number of coins into the value of 1. Isn't it? If you have got 5 rupee coins, rupees 5, 10 coins. So what is the value? Value will be 5 into 10. That is rupees 50 you will be having. Isn't it? Same way here. So value is 5x in first case, and second is 80 minus x into 2. That is this one. Together it is 232. So you will solve this. This is an equation. Isn't it? So you will solve it. And you got it as 24. And here after 12 years I shall be 3 times as this one. So present age is x. After 12 years means you will be x plus 12. Students commonly make the mistake x into 12. That is wrong. Okay. So before 4 years means before x minus 4. It can be hence. Hence means plus. After means plus. Okay. Before means it is minus. Okay. Earlier means it is minus. Okay. So same way. Okay. Now thank you.